Using the G7 sample configuration, we can convert a file to be G7 compliant. Notice the document and the target color space are the same. In the Images and Vectors tab, we will select Convert with Normalization so we can convert tagged images in a different color space to the document color space prior to applying the curves. Jumping over to the Gradations tab, we can load our curves. This can be done individually by loading the exported curve files, or in this case, we will be pulling the curves out of a linearization ICC made in CoPro. Now let's convert a P2P. Looking at the gray balance before and after, it looks like we achieved our desired results. This image is the isolated gray balance patches with the black baseline to better show the change. And if we then look at the simulated values from the profile, using the Evaluate tool in ColorAnt, we can see that we are well within the specifications for G7. Do note that this is a simulated run, so these are the best expected results. An on-press run will introduce additional variation depending on process control.